Let us sing to the colors of Valley View. To the white and the blue, we will always be true. To our friends, to our teachers, to those that we knew. Hooray, hooray for Valley View.
Thank you. I would like to invite our student council representatives from Mrs. Boggs' class to come up and help us. We're going to start with the flag salute, so please stand.
Your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
Thank you. Please be seated. All right, thank you. This was so much fun to see all of your amazing costumes. I can tell we had a lot of thought put into these costumes. I've heard from some of you that you have a costume for today, but you have a different costume for trick-or-treating. I'm sure your families are very busy this week. Right now, we're going to have the recipients of the costume awards come up. So if student council gave you a yardstick with a certificate at the top, please come on up front now. All right, let's give them a round of applause. Congratulations. Stay up here because we're going to take the certificate off and give it to you, and then we're going to collect the yardstick. Once you have your certificate, you can take your seat. All right, thank you. And our student council worked really hard over the last couple of weeks getting ready for helping us with Rock Your School, which was so much fun. Red Ribbon Week activities. And then now with the Halloween parade, they put together the awards and are helping us out today. So thank you to the student council, we appreciate you. All right, now we're going to move on to our SOAR slip recipients. There were a lot of slips in those bins, so a lot of you are showing how you soar at Valley View. So let's remind ourselves what it means if we soar. So I'm going to start, and I want you to finish. Okay, so SOAR stands for show, self-control. Self-control, good. Offer, kindness. Act, responsibly. Respect. Nice job, Eagles. So our recipients this month, coming up for for the mystery prize box. So you'll come up at the start of recess to the office. We have Dominic from first grade, Dominic L. Fox from second grade, Adonis from third grade, Irene and Nadine W. from TK, Avery H. from first grade, and Anjali from Mrs. Perluyan's class. All right, so you guys are going to come up to the office. Also coming up to the office, actually, I think I'm going to send it to the classroom so that it goes right into the backpack because this recipient got one of the playground balls. And it's pretty nice and fancy. And it's going to go home to play with at home. So we're going to send it to Mrs. Gonzalez's class, Sebastian. So I'll have it brought to your class, Sebastian, and you'll get to bring that home today. All right, our frozen yogurt gift card winner is Tatum from Miss N's class. Come on up. Congratulations. And then our staff member who was picked for winning the Starbucks gift card is Miss Beebe in the back. And I don't have the gift card with me, but we will get it to you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, so now we're going to move on to our students of the month. So for the month of October, our theme was cooperation. So a lot of these students showed incredible cooperation, great work in class, great work on the playground, all around just showing cooperation and great work in the classroom. So for when I call your name, come line up here at the front. At the end of the assembly, you're going to come back up and we're going to take your picture. TK, Orion Tiller. From Ms. Purcell, Mason Millars. From Ms. N, Marty Bosch Rodriguez. From Mrs. Perluyan, Anjali Katalki. From Mrs. Fitzgibbons, Archer Kim. From Mrs. Gonzalez, Victoria Springer. From Ms. Jenks, Lillian Kachatrian. From Mrs. Lindley, Fox Gumate. From Ms. Park, Aiken Pineda. From Mrs. Bringus, Susie King. From Ms. Rivetto, Paige Tan. And from Mrs. Weller, Jet Kim. All right, congratulations to all of our students of the month. All right, please take your seats and remember to come up at the end of the assembly for your picture. All right, for our Personal Success Awards, we are congratulating these students for doing a variety of different things this month. When I call your name, please come stand up at the front. From Mrs. Barnett's class, we have Mila Felland. That's too bad. We'll hold on to it. Thank you, Mrs. Barnett. From Ms. N, Marian Allen. From Ms. Purcell, Caleb Kim. From Mrs. Corluyan, Sophia Shanokyan. From Mrs. Fitzgibbons, Joshua Shin. From Mrs. Gonzalez, Maine Conley Bagumian. From Mrs. Lindley, Isaac Young. From Ms. Park, Coraline Williford. From Ms. Jenks, Bodhi Rukavina. From Mrs. Bringus, Evan Hilton. From Mrs. Rivetto, Arub Krishnan. And from Mrs. Weller, David Lee. All right, let's please give our personal success recipients a round of applause. Congratulations. Thank you. You can take your seats. All right, we have another award. This is a special one for October. Many of you participated. Many of you participated in the Halloween pumpkin decorating contest. Raise your hand if you submitted a picture of you with a decorated pumpkin. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you so much for participating. So the judges reviewed all of the entries and they have some awards to give to you. So for TK and kindergarten, for best Halloween spirit, we have Aaron Kim. So Aaron Kim, come on up. He's coming. For best overall pumpkin, we have Noah Chiriboga. All right, for first, second, and third grade, for best Halloween spirit, it looks like we have 3 winners. We have Alessandra H., Sophia Shanokyan, and Nairi Agazarian. Yep, Sophia, come on up. Shanokyan. And then best overall pumpkin for first, second, and third grade is Olive Meinhardt. right, congratulations. All right, you can take your seats. All right, before we end with our Valley View song, I wanted to remind you that not only do we have an exciting event this weekend with Halloween, but on Monday, there is no school. So on Monday, unless you're coming here for CDCC, we're not going to see you in the classrooms. But we will be very excited to see you on Tuesday. All right? Now, let's have Julian lead us in the Valley View school song. So let's have everyone stand up.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let us sing to the colors of Valley View, to the white and the blue. We will always be true to our friends and our teachers, to those that we knew. Hooray, hooray for Valley View. I spent this time at this our school, and I learned, I hope, this teaching well, the skills to do, the courage to try, to work and to learn for all of our lives. Let us sing to the colors of Valley View, to the white and the blue. We will always be true to our friends and our teachers, to those that we knew. Hooray, hooray for Valley View.
Thank you. All right, I hope you have a great rest of the day. It was really fun to be out here with you today for the parade and the assembly. Please give your attention to your teacher, and if you are a student of the month, please come up to get your picture taken. Thank you, Eagles.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us. We're going to get started, and we have student council representatives from Mrs. Boggs' class helping us today. So let's get started with the flag salute.
Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
Thank you. Please be seated. All right, thank you. So we're going to begin with the Halloween Costume Awards. Our student council has worked really hard getting ready for Rock Your School Day, Red Ribbon Week, and the Halloween Parade and Reward Assembly. So thank you to all of our reps for helping out with that. And right now, if you are the recipient of a costume award, please come on up. All right, let's give them a round of applause for their creative costumes. And student council representatives, if you need to take part of the award back, please come up and do that, and then everyone can take their seats. All right, please take your seats. All right, thank you. So now we're going to move on to our SOAR recipients for earning their SOAR slips, putting them in the bins, and we're going to see who got their name picked. Please remember that SOAR stands for show self-control, offer, act, respect. Thank you very much. So our recipients this month, for the mystery prize box, you're going to come up to the office at the start of recess. Alessandra G. from 4th grade. Luke C. from 5th grade. Brianna from 6th grade. And then also coming up to the office to get their new playground ball that will be used at home is Avery T. from 4th grade and Kyle P. from 4th grade. Congratulations. Excuse me. Thank you. I know you're close to me, but please don't yell out. For the frozen yogurt gift card, we have, and you can come up now, Olivia A. from 4th grade. Congratulations. Okay, moving on to Student of the Month. So the Students of the Month earn their certificates for a lot of different things, many of them all around showing great cooperation, which is our theme for October. Just doing well in the classroom with the way they're doing their work, the way they're being kind and working with others. So this month we are going to have these students come up. You're going to line up here, and then at the end of the assembly, you're going to stay so we can get your picture. So congratulations to Clara Clemens from Mrs. Lau. From Mrs. Chui, Go Yoshino. From Mrs. Boggs, Farrah Miller. From Mr. Chui, Michelle Jang. From Mrs. Lee, Enzo Deek. And from Mr. Gifford, Angela Lai. Congratulations to all of our Students of the Month. All right, thank you. Let's give them another round of applause. All right, moving on to our Personal Success Awards. Again, please come up when I call your name. From Ms. Lau's class, we have Theo Manshin for showing self-discipline. From Mrs. Chewy's class, we have Jian Kim, always being ready to learn and a role model for others. From Mrs. Boggs' class, we have Hope Purcell for great work in math. From Mr. Chewy's class, we have Evan Sabellis for effort and improvement. From Mr. Gifford's class, Tim Kim for excellent math tests. And from Mrs. Lee, we have Ami Afshar for perseverance in all academic areas. Congratulations. All right, let's give them all a round of applause. Congratulations. All right, and we have another set of awards today. We had quite a few students enter the pumpkin decorating contest. And after much review, the judges have made their decisions. So for fourth, obviously you're all 4th through 6th grade. So within that division, we had for Best Halloween Spirit, Daniel Seong. And for Best Overall Pumpkin, it looks like we have a tie. We have Aisha Penmeshta and Ashtig Nasakian. Congratulations. All right, one more picture. All right, congratulations. All right, before we finish and do our Valley View song, I wanted to remind all of you to have a great weekend trick-or-treating or whatever you're planning to do. Remember to be safe out there. And also remember that Monday is a student-free day. So unless you're coming for CDCC, we're not going to see you in the classrooms on Monday, but we will see you on Tuesday ready to go. November is a quick month. We have the following week, Veterans Day, no school. The day after that, report card preparation, no school for the students. And then we have a week and then we're at Thanksgiving. So we're going to do all we can to get the most out of November while we're here, to do our best to learn, to work with others, and have a great month. So let's move on to our Valley View song.
Valley View, to the white and the blue, we will always be true to our friends and our teachers, to those that
thank you. I think we all finished at the same time. That's awesome. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Remember, student council representatives, students of the month, please come up for your picture. Student council representatives, we'll see you back out here at 9:30 for the next assembly. Have a great Friday, Eagles.